girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too.
I just always feel like they're agreeing something you got. Obvious you're pretty. Heard that you're a student working weekends in the city. Trying to take you out, girl, hope you're not too busy. If there's nothing wrong, I'll this little song for you to get ready to put those fucking heels on and work it, girl. Let that mirror show you what you're doing. Put that glass on and work it, kind of vicious, like somebody's taking pictures. Shut it down, shut it down. You be the baddest girl around. They know.
What's up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Arabella hair, and today I'm reviewing this chocolate unit. It's been a minute since I've worn like chocolate brown hair, and that's definitely one of my favorite colors to wear on my skin tone. I feel like it just complements me so well. And today I have on this closure unit, and this is one of those units that is a wear and go unit. You can literally wear this unit straight out of the box. It comes pre-styled with you with these beautiful curls, and it also has this part in it as well. It's a deep curved part, which is just like literally perfect. Like I really do like the part and the parting space on this unit. And even though this is a closure, it can be worn as like a frontal kind of vibe because it does have a lot of space on this unit. But yeah, you guys, absolutely love this one. And I'm just trying to get you guys ready for the fall season. You know, this is literally the perfect color to wear around the holiday season and just around these colder months. It's just a color that I feel like complements all different types of skin tones and gives you a different kind of look without you doing something really dramatic like a hot pink or a bright blue color. You know, this gives you a nice little color change, and it's just very classy as well. I really do like the curls in it. I did freshen up some of the curls with a curling wand off camera. It was just literally just a few at the top, but this unit, as you guys saw, comes pre-curled for you already, and also it comes with a pre-cut lace, but it has like the lace that has like that scallop type of thing. Now I did cut some of the extra lace off just for me. Sometimes I don't mind that lace, but sometimes I don't want like any lace at all. Like I don't want that extra like centimeter or whatever it is of like lace right there. So for me, I cut all of that off. I still feel like the lace melted pretty well. You know, it's not like plucked or anything, so you guys can't really tell, but you don't see any like lace is the point. Even on this side, like you don't see any lace. You can see like my baby hairs and everything. So this is where the unit is hitting on me without like pulling it or anything. And then if I pull it down, it goes down to here. So it's pretty long. And then in the back, that's what it's looking like without pulling it. And then with pulling it, really pretty. And then if you wanted to, you can definitely pull it all off to the side. Let me show you how that would look. Like this is real cute. Very classy. You know what I mean? Perfect for a dinner party, date night, just hanging out with your girls and you just want to look cute. Like this is literally perfect. You know what I mean? And like I said, it's just done for you. So it's beginner friendly. It's a time saver. It's beginner friendly, it's a time saver, and it just looks absolutely amazing. Really like this one. So if you guys are interested in checking it out, make sure you do check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, Arabella Hair, for sending over this hair. And also I want to thank all of you guys I want to thank all of my beautiful subscribers out there, both new and returning, for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.